So today I'm going to show you how to make a Hela costume, and then next week I'll be showing you how to make the horns. So start by getting yourself a plain black turtleneck. The thicker the better because it'll be stronger. And then you just want to cut off the tops of the shoulders on each side, and then just fold the edges under and hem them. So you'll end up with a shoulderless shirt like this. And mine was pretty tight already, but if yours is too loose, you can just sew in the sides of it to make it tighter. So then you want to take some shiny green ribbon and some fabric fuse tape. And my fabric fuse tape was wider than my ribbon, so I just cut each piece of the fabric fuse tape in half, which also gives me double the amount of tape. And then you just stick the sticky side to the back side of the green ribbon. And then that gives you your own little sticky green ribbon. You just peel off the white backing, and you'll have a sticky green ribbon to put wherever you want on the shirt. So just peel off the white after you've measured your piece, and then squish it glue side down onto the shirt. So then you just go along sticking all your pieces of green on the shirt, measure each piece and then cut it, and of course your sticky will already be on the back. To do the rounded parts, it's kind of hard to make the ribbon bend because it's rectangular, so I just folded it a little bit at the parts where it had to bend, and it came out looking fairly decent. And so just keep going until you have the entire shirt and sleeves covered in the green ribbon. And you want to make sure on the back side that you leave a gap in the neck so you can still fit your head through. And I actually didn't do the back at all because the cape covers it up, but you can if you want to. I ended up running out of tape, so I only got the shirt and the pants done. And for the pants I had to get a little creative at the bottom because I totally ran out of tape, so I did not do the boots at all, which is why my boots are plain. I'll have to finish those later. But so these are the pants and the shirt. I like two pieces better than one. And so then I got some green fabric to use as the cape, and I just hemmed that down along the edges. And then I just pinned that to the shoulders, starting on the outside of the shoulders and going all the way along the back. And it's 2 yards wide, so I put in all the little tucks so that it would fit on the shirt, and it gives it the appropriate flowy drape when it's all spread out. So then I just hand sewed that on in place. Kind of see the stitches there. So then I cut two little cat ear looking things out of some 3mm black foam. If you have Pellon, it's a better choice, but I didn't. And then I got some distressed black fabric, cut it a little bit bigger than the little foam pieces, and then you just want to take some hot glue and go all the way around, gluing it in place. And so then you just sew those right around the holes in the shoulders, leaving the distressed side up, of course. This is Galadriel. This is Galadriel under the influence of the ring. Any questions? And this is my little sugar, enjoying being petted.